Hello friends, our today's topic is for loop in C programming. In this video we will learn things to be remembered when you use for loop. To learn programming, subscribe to our channel, click on bell icon to get post notification. First thing which you have to keep in your mind is none of the part of the for loop is compulsory. Means you can have the for loop with 4 2 brackets and 2 semicolon symbol. Let's see the example for it. See here I have used a template of C program, and now I am going to write down the for loop without mentioning any of the part like initialization, condition test, increment or decrement, and let's try to compile it. You can see there is no error. It means none of the part is compulsory for the for loop. But yes, to stop the loop we need to provide some condition. Like suppose I am printing hi, and now if I will run this program, then it will go for infinite. So instead of that, if I will write down break over here, so now it will print hi for once and then the program will be break. Let's see the output. You can see hi is written on output window. Okay, now let's try to write down the for loop without initialization. In that case, I need to take one variable where I is less than 5 and I plus plus. Let's check the output. So it will print hi 5 times. Okay, now let's try to run the program without increment decrement. In that case, we can perform increment or decrement within a loop, and you can see the output is perfect. Now suppose I do not want to pass any argument as a condition test. In that case, even I can write down I plus plus over here, and here what I can do, if I five break. Let's check the output, and again we will get same output. So by this all test we can confirm that none of the part in a for loop is compulsory. Second thing which you need to remember while using a for loop is do not write semicolon at the end of for loop. With that, do not forget to write down semicolon within a for loop, that is twice, which will separate the initialization, condition test and increment decrement. Let's see the example for it. Here we can see a template of C program. Okay, let's try to check what happened when we write the semicolon at the end of for loop. So I am declaring one variable I and then writing a for loop, integer I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, inside that I am just printing the value of I. Okay, now first let's test what happen if we run this code. We will get the output 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, now if we write the semicolon at the end of the for loop, then what happen? Check the output and we will get 5. Now the question will come to your mind, why 5? The reason is when you write the semicolon at the end of the for loop, the C compiler will consider this looping structure as a statement, and your loop will run inside this statement, and the value for which the loop will break, that is 5. So the following statement, this statement will be execute only once, and that's why it is printing 5. So please do not write semicolon at the end of for loop, otherwise your looping part will be executed only once for the value for which the loop has been breaked. The third thing which you need to remember is actually a logical error, where if you have used greater than or greater than equal to sign, and if you are using increment operation at the increment or decrement part, then it will be called logical error. In normal case, when you are using only one variable in a for loop, you need to follow this rule. The rule is written over here. In condition statement, if there is a greater than or greater than equal to sign, then there must be a decrement operation, and if there is less than or less than equal to sign, then there must be a increment operation at the increment or decrement part. Let's see the example for it. Okay, let's check what happened when we are trying to write down the wrong condition in a condition part. Suppose there is integer I, and I am writing a loop I equal to 0, less than 5, and I plus plus. So here I want to print 1 5 times. Okay, so when we run this code, it will print 1 5 times. Now what happen if I change the condition? Now it means this loop will run till the value of I is greater than 5. Okay, so now what happened? So just see over here, there is no output because the value of I is 0. Then when you come over here, 0 is greater than 5, no, so you will come outside this loop. But when you are writing I less than 5, and then if you are writing that I minus minus, so now it means that the loop will be continue till the value of I is less than 5, and currently our value of I is 0. So when we minus the value, it will become a -1, -2, and so on. So when we check that what will be the output, just let's run the code and check what happened. You will see the infinite number of loop will be going on, and then the code will be stopped. That is again a topic of discussion, that how many number of times the loop will be run, that we will see in the next video. So just keep in mind, if there is less than or less than equal to sign in a condition, please write down plus plus. If there is greater than or greater than equal to sign over here, please write down minus minus. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to write us.